Have you ever wondered what it would be like if Earth had more than one moon? What if I told you that, every once in a while, our planet gets a temporary companion, a cosmic visitor that orbits us for just a short time before continuing its journey around the Sun? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now. Earth is about to gain a new temporary mini-moon. This phenomenon isn't permanent like our moon. These mini-moons are small asteroids, briefly captured by Earth's gravity before they're set free again. Right now, a small asteroid called 2024 PT5 is heading our way, and it's set to become Earth's newest mini-moon. So, what's the story behind these rare space visitors, and why do they matter? Let's take a deep dive into the science behind temporary mini-moons. First, let's clarify what we mean by mini-moon. Earth's primary moon, the one we see almost every night, is about 3,474 kilometers wide and orbits Earth continuously. But mini-moons are vastly different. These are much smaller objects, usually a few meters across, and they only stick around for a short time before Earth's gravity releases them. They don't orbit us for billions of years like our moon. Instead, they make a brief pit stop in our orbit before heading back to their path around the Sun when an asteroid comes close to Earth, and if the conditions are just right, that is, the right speed, distance, and gravitational interaction, Earth's gravity can capture it. The asteroid temporarily becomes a secondary moon. But these mini-moons are fast-moving and often don't stay for long. After a few weeks or months, they typically escape Earth's pull and continue their journey through space. Now, let's talk about 2024 PT5, the newest mini-moon. This asteroid is part of a group known as the Arjuna asteroids, a class of space rocks that have orbits very similar to Earth's. 2024 PT5 is tiny, only about 3 to 6 meters in diameter, and it's traveling at a relatively slow speed of around 3,540 kilometers per hour. When 2024 PT5 gets within about 4.5 million kilometers of Earth, roughly 2.8 million miles, Earth's gravity will pull it into a temporary orbit. And for a few months, it will circle our planet before eventually being drawn back into the Sun's gravitational influence, continuing its original orbit around our solar system. Now, you might be asking yourself, why do we care about mini-moons? They're small, temporary, and we can't even see them with the naked eye. Well, it turns out these little visitors are more important than you might think. First, mini-moons offer scientists a unique opportunity to study near-Earth objects, NEOs, up close. These asteroids come into Earth's neighborhood, and by observing their movement, we can better understand how objects in space interact with Earth's gravity. This knowledge helps us track the paths of other, potentially hazardous asteroids, giving us valuable data on how these objects move and how we might deflect them if they ever posed a threat. Imagine if, one day, a larger asteroid were on a collision course with Earth. Studying mini-moons helps us develop the techniques and technology needed to either capture or deflect these objects. So in a sense, mini-moons serve as small-scale test cases for planetary defense strategies. While mini-moons like 2024 PT5 are rare, they aren't unheard of. In fact, we've had several mini-moons in the past. One of the best-known examples is 2006 RH-120, a small asteroid that orbited Earth for nearly a year between 2006 and 2007. Then there's 2020 CD3, another mini-moon that orbited Earth from 2018 until 2020 before escaping back into the solar system. These mini-moons come and go fairly quickly, and most are so small that they burn up in Earth's atmosphere if they get too close. But the ones we do detect offer a window into how our planet interacts with space. So, what does the future hold for mini-moons? As our detection technology improves, we're likely to spot more of these temporary visitors. Advances in telescopes and radar systems allow us to find smaller and smaller objects, and we're developing better ways to track their movement. Looking ahead, scientists are even considering the possibility of capturing a mini-moon and bringing it into Earth's orbit for longer periods, using it as a stepping stone for missions to larger asteroids or even as a base for deep space exploration. Mini-moons could one day serve as natural laboratories for studying space rocks up close without needing to launch expensive missions to more distant asteroids. Like all mini-moons, 2024 PT5 won't stick around forever. After a few months of orbiting Earth, it will escape back into space, continuing its journey around the Sun. But in the time we have with it, scientists will gather as much data as possible, helping us learn more about these fascinating cosmic hitchhikers. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky and see the moon shining brightly, remember that Earth has had other, more temporary companions. While we can't see mini-moons like 2024 PT5 with our eyes, they remind us that the universe is constantly in motion, and Earth is just one part of a much larger cosmic dance. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up. Who knows what's orbiting around us right now?